Hi, my name is Dr. Bijan Anvar. I'm the chairman for Flushing Hospital Dental Department. Today I'm here to share some tips with you for your child's first dental visit. The first thing that we're going to talk about is being positive and having a positive attitude, because that will inspire confidence in your child on what they're going to be getting. The second thing that I'm going to recommend to you is to model the behaviors. Let them count your teeth, you count their teeth, tell them to open, tell them to act like a dentist and let them look in your mouth. And this way they start being a little bit more comfortable with what's going to be happening. Let them know that they're going to come to the dentist and have their teeth checked and their smile checks and maybe taking some pictures. The other thing would be to make sure that you don't convey your anxiety to your child. Children pick up on these things very quickly, and if they see you nervous or afraid, they're going to think that something painful or something uncomfortable is going to happen to them. And when they're coming for their first visit, we want to make it as stress-free as possible, and that really begins in the home. So if you can smile, especially when they're sitting in the chair, if you can smile and laugh and tell them they're doing a great job, that's going to take a long way to make them at ease and comfortable. We have a lot of specialists who come to the clinic, including pedodontists who are children's dentists, and they're specialists for children. We have a lot of residents here who can take care of them. So we would love to see you, and we would love to take care of you and your family. So please give us a call to make an appointment at the phone number below. Thank you.